everybody, welcome back to Cooking and Creating with Auntie M. Today's gonna be kind of a quick, not so quick video. We are going to do Neiman Marcus chocolate chip cookies versus the DoubleTree Hotel chocolate chip cookies. Supposedly they both have really good chocolate chip cookies. So this is going to be our Neiman Marcus cookie, and this is going to be our DoubleTree cookie. So right now I'm just going to cream the butter and the sugar together, and I'll be back with the next step. So this is going to be our DoubleTree. We creamed our Neiman Marcus, so now we're going to get this DoubleTree. It's butter, brown sugar, and regular sugar. So we're going to get this cream together. Okay, so our Neiman Marcus calls for 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And this is real good vanilla, because this is from the islands. So it's very strong vanilla. So then we're going to make this, beat this up until it's nice and fluffy. So Neiman Marcus calls for 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We've creamed that all together. The DoubleTree Hotel calls for 2 eggs and 1 1/4 vanilla. Also, this one is 2 sticks of butter, and that Neiman Marcus is 1 stick of butter. So we're gonna get this all creamed in together, get it fluffy, and then we'll move on to our next step. Okay, so now for the Neiman Marcus, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients, but we're gonna do it in parts. So we'll put a little bit of the flour. It's flour, baking soda, baking powder. So basically, we're just trying to get the flour incorporated in our wet mixture. And then we'll be almost done with this one. So this is our DoubleTree Hotel, and it's a little bit thicker. It also, because it has rolled oats in it. So now we're gonna stir in our chocolate chips and our walnuts. And in the Neiman Marcus one, I guess their little factor for theirs is I have to add espresso coffee grounds, so that will give it, I'm not sure what kind of taste, but we'll see once we make them. So that's the coffee grounds, espresso, sorry about that, and then 1.5 cups of chips is in this one. So I'm gonna stir this together. Now their cookies must be smaller. I actually never really seen one, because this is supposed to make 2 dozen. And maybe, I guess it will. Now the trick that I've always known for making cookies is that you start with cold dough, but this says that you can freeze whatever we don't use, and then you don't have to cool it down. You put the frozen piece right on the cookie sheet and put it in the oven. So our Neiman Marcus batter is all set. I'm going to complete our DoubleTree, and then we're going to get them on that cookie sheet and see which one tastes better. So again, this one is 2/3 cup of 1 2/3 cup of chocolate chip, and let's say it's called for 1 1/3 cups of walnuts. We'll just eyeball it. Well, I mean, it's probably this whole bag. Let's see, this bag is, yep, 2 cups. So pretty much the whole bag. So we'll get this stirred together, and then we'll put them in the oven. So these are our Neiman Marcus cookies, and these are our DoubleTree cookies. So we're getting ready to put them. Kitchen Cutie, order yours. We'll put the Neiman Marcus at the top, and then we'll put these at the bottom. The inside. It's on 300, and let's see, we have to cook them for, I think, 20 minutes it says. So we'll see. We'll check it at like 15 minutes so that we don't burn them. Okay, we'll be back to eat some cookies. So they are out of the oven. This is our Neiman Marcus cookie, and this is our DoubleTree Hotel cookie. I did use a bigger scoop for this, so maybe that's why they came out really wide. But if you look at the Neiman Marcus cookie really close, do you see all the speckles of the espresso powder? I think that's gonna be good. You see the speckles? That looks nice. And these also look nice too, and plus because they have walnuts and chocolate chips in them. Who doesn't like a cookie with a nut in it?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
However, if you don't like walnuts, you can use pecans. I actually like pecans better. And if you have a nut allergy, don't put nuts in at all. So we'll be back in a few once they cool off so we can test it. Okay, so we're back. So a Neiman Marcus cookie and our DoubleTree cookie. And I think the DoubleTree only came out bigger because we used a bigger scoop. So I'm gonna make some more later and use the same scoop and then compare them. But I'm gonna take a piece of this. I got my milk.
I hate the mukbangers that do that.
That's good. And I like it because it has nuts in it. However, I probably would really like it if it had pecans in it.
Right. Okay, so that was the DoubleTree.
So I really like this, the look of this, because of the little speckles.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay. That's it.
I do taste a little espresso coffee flavor. This might even be better with pecans in it, but it's good. Okay, so for me, I think I will go with the DoubleTree. I like that one a little bit better. However, we're gonna eat both of these cookies.
So point out which one is which.
This is the Neiman Marcus. This is the DoubleTree. My vote is for the DoubleTree.
Okay.
So thanks for watching. Come back and join us again on Auntie M's Cooking and Creating. We're still working on our kitchen. Some things got to change. I don't like my backsplash that I did, so I'm gonna redo that. However, we do have two winners because we've reached 102. Our first winner is Miss Tiffany Brody. She was our first subscriber, and then the first person that commented was Mrs. Lynette Harrell. So we'll be sending them out 2 gifts, and I'll show you the gifts when I get ready to send them out. I just need to contact them and let them know that it's coming. Join us again. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Make a comment. You never know if you'll get a gift. Thanks. Bye.